everybody! Once again, it is time to get ready to robot! Today we have the Double Trouble Battle Pack. So over here we have the green robot tank, and we have a mystery robot.
What's inside?
And if you watched our other videos, you know we've already gotten 6 of these robots. The only one besides Tank we're missing is Tenderizer. Let's see if he's inside. Let's open it up and play with our robots. This is Tank. Tank has a green and gray robot with tank treads, has a 3-fingered hand on one side, a pincher claw on the other, a laser cannon on one shoulder, missile launchers on the other. Our pilot has 3 antennae sticking out of his helmet. He's got gray skin with a green helmet. He's a cool looking pilot with a cool looking robot. And we have this awesome double missile launcher that can pop onto the back. Whoop! And you press the button, shoot the missiles. And that is the accessory that came with this 2-pack, a green missile launcher. To reload it, just put the missiles in, just like that. So there's Tank with his missile launcher.
Today's first chapter is a high-tech fighter who loves a low-tech beatdown. He's locked, he's loaded, he's Tank! Tank reporting for bot blasting duty!
Okay, let's open it up. Jeremy, you want to get the pilot out?
That's my pilot.
Oh, reach into that slime and pull him out. Oh, look! It's a pig! It's Tenderizer.
It's Tenderizer. It's Hamstrong's brother.
Yeah, he looks just like the other robot we've got with a pig pilot, Hamstrong. This one is wearing a blue outfit, and it has a brown mask.
That's his own brother.
There's the other pig pilot, Hamstrong. Let's open up all 7 bags containing the robot parts. So this is Tenderizer. I think this one's my favorite robot so far. So here's Hamstrong compared to Tenderizer. It's good to see you, brother. Great to see you too. Robot hug. Aww.
The walking hug.
Piggy dance. Pig, 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 pig. Everybody do the Robo Pig dance. No, I'm getting slimed. Ha ha ha.
Oh my God.
That's what you get.
That's you get.
Oink, 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 oink.
Oink.
You got slime. Take that, Tank.
Take that, Tank.
Ha 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 ha.
I
Okay, blast him. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. Hey, Tank. I bet I can beat you. Yeah. But you don't have the missile launcher. Haha. Thank you very much for watching Daddy's Toy Kingdom. This has been another Ready2Robot special edition. We had the Double Trouble Battle Pack. Inside we got Tank and we got Tenderizer. If you liked watching this video, please make sure to click like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everybody. Bye.